Beyonce released her Guacamole Recipe just a few days before her big night performance at the Super Bowl. This gave her fans to be able to try out her guacamole recipe just in time for the Super Bowl where she was the halftime performer. And it's the only recipe that Beyonce has ever published to this day. Her recipe was also featured on BuzzFeed's Ultimate Guacamole Showdown, featuring a taste test competition of these 5 celebrities' guacamole. And Beyonce's recipe came in second place. Well, I've got the recipe in hand, and I'll be trying it out for the first time and give you my review at the end, so stay tuned. And here are the simple ingredients she uses. We've got 2 ripe avocados, 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, 1 lime juice, 1 garlic clove, and salt and pepper to season. Alright, let's put this together. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. Same for the second avocado. With a spoon, scoop out the avocado into a large bowl. Next, cut the onion into small dices. Here I like to make sideways layered cuts, but not all the way through. Then downward cuts, which gives me instant diced onion. And just chop it down smaller if needed. Next, cut 1 small tomato. I'm using Roma tomato here. And I'm gonna scoop out the middle stem part of the tomato and then cut into small tomato dices. And putting that aside, now I'll cut a lime in half and squeeze out its lime juice. Mince 1 garlic clove. I'll press it down with a knife so the skin peels off easily, then mince it down into small pieces. Now that we have all the ingredients prepped, into the large bowl, adding the diced tomato, diced onion, lime juice, and minced garlic, and mash down with a large spoon or fork. Or if it's easier, a potato masher. Mash the avocado till you get mashed chunky pieces. And can't forget to season with a pinch of salt and pepper, then mix again together. Place in the refrigerator for 20 minutes and then it'll be ready to enjoy. And just a side note, Beyonce likes to eat her guacamole with Scoops corn chips. There it is, Beyonce's guacamole recipe. So upon tasting this, my first reaction is this is like your typical traditional classic guacamole tasting recipe. Now what are the traditional guacamole ingredients, you might ask? Well, upon googling what are the traditional ingredients for guacamole, this is what Google pulls up. Authentic guacamole doesn't contain fillers and unnecessary ingredients. All you need is avocados, onion, tomatoes, cilantro, jalapeno pepper, lime juice, garlic, and salt. Beyonce has all these ingredients except she skipped out on the cilantro and the jalapeno pepper and doesn't add anything else to it except some black pepper. To me, I think the salt, lime juice, tomatoes, and onions give the right amount of taste to it. But without the jalapenos or cilantro, it's a more mellow, soothing, easy to eat guacamole taste that is kid friendly. So I'd say it's perfect for anyone, kids, adults, the whole family can enjoy. It's a classic flavor. This amount I'd say serves 2 people, so if you're looking to make it for more people, double, triple, or quadruple the recipe. Try out Beyonce's guacamole recipe and let me know what you think. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.